Top 7 Best 2.0 Channel Soundbars. Even though most people are hooked onto their mobile screens and laptops, there's a bunch of people who still prefer to watch their favorite match and movies on a TV. However, the TV watching experience can be ruined if you don't have a good sound system to complement the stunning video. That's where the soundbars come into the scene. If you are not satisfied with the sound quality of your TV, you should definitely buy a 2.0 channel soundbar. In fact, there are some great options available in the market these days. In this video, we are going to list some of the best soundbars of 2021 that you can buy to improve your TV watching experience. Top 7 Best 2.0 Channel Soundbars. Number 7. Hisense HS205. The Hisense HS205 soundbar delivers an enhanced audio experience. The 60-watt speaker system provides balanced, rich sound. The unit is slim, compact and easy to set up. Number 6. Bose SoundTouch 300 Soundbar. If you have listened to Bose speakers once, you will have a tough time liking the performance of other speaker brands. Such as the reputation of Bose. SoundTouch 300 carries on the legacy that its predecessors have set and makes its own identity in the segment of soundbars. Number 5. Sonos Beam, Smart TV Soundbar with Amazon Alexa built-in. Sonos has come up with a smart soundbar in the mid-range section, and it is certainly making the competition more intense for the segment leaders. It is a user-friendly, smart soundbar that can make your TV watching experience more enjoyable with amazing sound. Number 4. Sennheiser Ambeo Soundbar. If budget is not an issue for you, then you should definitely go for a premium brand. And Sennheiser does justice to its brand position in the market with its Ambeo soundbar. It may not be an ideal choice for students who need to save money for assignment problem solution, but it definitely has everything one could ask for. Number 3. Yamaha YOS108 Soundbar. Yamaha is known for its powerful performance, and its YOS108 soundbar lives up to that reputation, even being placed at the segment of entry-level soundbars. If you are looking for a soundbar with good bass at a low budget, this is the right one for you. Number 2. JBL Bar Studio with Bluetooth. JBL has a reputation for delivering value for money with every product. And it does not disappoint you when it comes to soundbars that not only perform well but also cost significantly low. Reliability, performance, and features, JBL Bar Studio is packed with all. Number 1. Samsung Soundbar with built-in woofer. This Samsung soundbar was designed to enhance your television viewing experience with a simple, elegant design. It delivers powerful, immersive sound and the connectivity options you need. Check the links in the description for details about each product. And please remember to like the video, comment and subscribe.